What's going on, guys? Elsofi here, and this is your second Java tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna be teaching you how to run Java programs. So we're not going to write any codes. Before we can do that, actually we have to know how to run one. So it's like we will focus on running just a Java program and not writing. So just think about it. What's the essence of writing code without being able to run one? So it's pretty much you're just gonna be copying me throughout this tutorial, and then you're gonna be learning how to run Java programs. So let's go ahead and open our text editor. In my case, I'll be opening Notepad++ because it's my favorite and I love it. Okay, now the first thing we're gonna do is go to save as. Alright, then you can give it a name whatever you wish. In my case, I'll be calling it cosk211.java. and this is something you have to notice. This .java is very important. If you want to run any program in Java, you must include this .java as the file you're saving. So let's just change this to greetings. Maybe greetings, that will be a lot more convincing. Alright, let's search for our directory, go to computer, and I'll be saving my program in C. So let's create a folder and we will call this Java Toots, right? Hit enter, open it, then we are going to save it inside the Java Toots. And you have to remember something, you have to know the location you're saving it. I'm saving mine in C, so if you wish you can save yours in the desktop background or wherever you wish. So now let's go ahead and write our very first Java program. And remember, this is not about writing Java programs, it's about how to run one. So let's go ahead and create our first class. Well, for some reasons from the material given to us by the school, they hit something like public class. So if you wish, you can just hit class, name of the program you wish, and of course it will run without any problem. But to be on the safer side, let's just put the public there, and public class, name of our file, which is greetings, right? So, and you have to remember, it's very important, this is caps sensitive. So the way you save it, that's the way you are going to put your class. If not, you will have some issues trying to run the program. For some reasons, I don't know why it does that, but let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, every Java program now had something called methods. So method is pretty much the list of things to do. So this method is gonna be in our class. It's just like, for example, let me say your body. Let's call your body the class. So what's inside your body, like your intestines, your head, your hands, they are all part of the body. So we are going to call them the methods. So now, how to create a method? We start by hitting public, right? Public static. Okay, well, for some reasons I told you that this is caps sensitive. So public static void, then void void and main. So let's go ahead, since we've already created our main, and then we are going to create what is called parameter. So in this case, our parameter is we start by brackets, inside the brackets, then you type strings, right? String args or rgs, then you have to put empty square brackets. Go ahead and hit empty square bracket, empty square brackets, Alright, from the material they gave us, I don't know, for some reasons they put this empty bracket here before the args right here, but you know, wherever you wish you put it, and it will work just fine. So now, since we've created our method, we are going to include what's called statements. So this statement, you are telling your computer, or in short, what's your computer to do. You are just telling it, all right, I want your computer to do this. So let's go ahead and create one system. After writing this system, then you're going to include period, out, period, print, line. Sorry, this is not period, this is comma. This period is, we call it dots, right? Okay, so inside the period, then what's the statement you want to put inside? In my case, we will say hello world. Just copy the program as it is and don't tamper with it. Okay, since you've added your statement, as you can see, our statement is system period out period print line. So this is like system, hey my computer, I want you to give me an output, print this output to be hello world, right? That's interesting. So don't forget, in every Java program, don't forget to close all your lines with semicolons. Is that what you call them? I don't know, just put it as it is. So remember, this is not the Java, the actual writing code. This is how to run it. So now we go ahead and save it. Okay, pretty much this is where the real tutorial begins. Now we are going to compile our code and write it. So open CMD or command prompt. Okay, our command prompt is here. Alright, this is pretty much a command prompt or a DOS command. We use this to run Java programs or compile any Java programs. So now we are going to start by locating our Java program where we saved it. So we are going to put cd space then backslash, right, and hit enter. So this is the first directory in your C drive. So go ahead and hit directory or dir and it will give you the list of all what's inside. Well, right here you can see we have forget it. We have our Java tut. Remember where we saved it, right? Java tut from our C drive. So we are going to open it now. cd space Java. So you can put jar and hit tab and it will give you the full name of the folder, and then hit enter. So now we're going to hit directory again, hit enter, and it will give you the names of the files inside the directory. Here we have, as you can see, we have our greetings.java. So we are going now to compile this program because pretty much your computer doesn't understand what .java is. So you have to compile it to let your computer know this is what we're dealing with, this is what I want you to do. So we go ahead and hit Java C. It's like this Java C is Java compiler. This C stands for compiler. Then you give a space, then the name of your file. You can hit tab, or you can just go ahead and type greetings.java. So I'm too lazy to type, I'll just hit the tab key. So here we go ahead and you can see Java greetings, right? Hit enter. Okay, as you can see, it does nothing. It's just like nothing happens, but yes, of course something happened. If you hit dir once again, hit enter, you can see it added a file called greetings.class. So your computer will be able to read this .class. Now let's go ahead and execute our program. Java greetings without the .class. You just hit tab. So if you run this dot class, it will run. So you have to clean it and make it greetings, just only greetings. Automatically your computer recognizes, all right, since there's dot class, I'll just run these greetings and everybody will live happily ever after. Hit enter, then here is our program, hello world. So now we're able to run Java program. So let's go ahead and start writing our codes.